Hi everyone, we're so excited to announce our new school analytics dashboard. In this quick tutorial, I'll be going over some of the new engagement statistics that you'll have at your fingertips in the General tab of your redesigned analytics dashboard. As always, when you first log in, you'll be brought to your messages inbox. And to get to your analytics dashboard, you'll click on the same analytics button as before. Except now it'll be populated with a new version of our dashboard. At the very top, you'll be able to see totals for your school in terms of students, contacts, teachers, and admins. And if you click on each of these, you'll be able to download an Excel format with all of the data for those fields. Right below that, you'll be able to see a breakdown by percentage and number of families who speak certain languages in your school. It should be really handy if you're figuring out which of your languages are most popular and you might need to hire interpreters for. These little 3 lines for general in the new dashboard will indicate a downloadability. In this case, you'll be able to download this image into PNG, JPEG, or vector image format. Right next to that, you'll also be able to see a breakdown of which families are using which platforms to communicate with you, whether they're using SMS text message, Android parent app, or iOS parent app. And again, downloadability here. Right below that, which I'm really excited about, you'll have the option to view the percentages and numbers of families which have invalid versus valid phone numbers in your school, and which families have subscribed or unsubscribed. And again, downloading these images separately. In addition to that, you'll also be able to download Excel formats of the exact breakdown of families who have invalid or unsubscribed phone numbers. In these, you'll be able to see exact families, names, and which phone numbers are listed in our system as invalid. That way you can reach out to these families and have them help you correct the phone numbers to ensure that they're receiving your messages. Below that, you'll be able to view statistics for school admins in terms of messages and announcements that have been sent. At the very top, you'll see total for school year, individual messages, that's one-on-one messages with families, and group announcements. And you can filter this by different date ranges, whether that be the last 30 days, this month, or something else, as well as viewing that by daily statistics, weekly statistics, or monthly statistics, again, broken down by messages and announcements. And here you'll also have the option to download that not only into image formats, but also CSV and Excel formats for the raw data. Below that, you'll be able to see the same type of data for the teachers in your school, breaking down by the total school year number of messages and announcements, as well as this nice graphic for different date ranges to be able to see which number of messages and announcements have been sent out by your teachers. Again, downloading here. And last but not least, you'll be able to see the family breakdown for number of messages sent to them in the school year, keeping in mind that for families, messages from you will always appear as individuals, even if they've been sent to multiple families. And you can again filter that by different date ranges and download those. And there you have it. That's how to use the General tab of our redesigned school analytics dashboard. We really hope that this new dashboard will make your family engagement a breeze. Check out our next video to see what you can do and see with your teacher engagement and family engagement tabs.